Okay, so here is another algebraic fraction that involves both subtraction and addition, and therefore doesn't look like a great candidate for cancelling. But if we get the factors first, we certainly can't cancel anything the way it is now. For example, the 2y and 2y on top and the 2y on the bottom, we better not cancel there, because the 2y's, both of those are involved in addition and subtraction. So we can't touch those the way they are right now. What we can try and do is we can try and factor both the top and the bottom. So if we look at the top at the minute, y squared minus 2y minus 15, the numerator, that's a simple trinomial. So the factors of that are going to be the factors of y squared, or y and y. Factors of 15 that have a difference of 2, well, that would be 5 and 3, because they multiply to give you 15, but they have a difference of 2. Now you want a minus in front of the bigger number. The minus is the first sign in this expression, so put that in front of the bigger number, in front of the 5. And then this original expression, y squared minus 2y minus 15, the last sign was a minus as well, which means in our answer, in our factors, we need two different signs. So we already used a minus. That means we need a plus here. On the bottom, we have 2y plus 6, so we can look to see if there's a GCF, and there is. 2 goes into both parts here, so if we factor out the 2y divided by 2 would be y, 6 divided by 2 would be 3. And now we have a y plus 3 on the top, and a y plus 3 on the bottom, and those aren't added to anything. They're both multiplied by something on top. The y plus 3 is multiplied by y minus 5. On the bottom, the y plus 3 is multiplied by 2. But the key thing is, you don't have y plus 3 plus or minus anything else, either on top or bottom. So the y plus 3's are no longer involved in addition or subtraction. That means they can cancel with each other. And we're left with y minus 5 over 2. And there's no more cancelling to be done there. If you really want to, you can split up the fraction and leave the 2 under both parts. So split up the top, but leave the 2 under both parts. Okay, so that's allowed, but that's not cancelling. The 2 hasn't gone anywhere, but it's a way to split up a fraction. So that can be useful. You can split up the top as long as you write the bottom everywhere. But certainly this is sort of the typical way for us to write that answer.